Hello everybody, got a video here on how to do heat shrink tubing, and it's all pretty simple. I picked this here up at Harbor Freight for like $1.99 I think it was, and you get a good assortment of heat shrink tubing in it. There's 3 of each size and there's 9 pieces altogether, which is pretty cheap if you ain't doing a whole lot of heat shrinking. But it's pretty simple. You can do it several different ways. You can use a lighter. You can use one of these little mini butane torches. You can use a heat gun. And I've also used a little electric heater like this. So we're going to do it each way and I'll show you how it works. We'll start off by doing a little piece here on the wire. You just pick the size that you need. This one is kinda tight on the wire, but we'll show you how it works here. On the lighter, you would just take and kinda go back and forth over it. Turn it as you're doing it if you can, or move the lighter around. You don't want to get it real close to it because it will burn it. But as you can see, it did shrink it there, and it's got a good grip on it. That's one way to do it. Or you can take and use the heat gun on it. As you can see there, it's shrinking and getting tighter around the wire. And this is the easiest, probably most safest way to do it, is with the heat gun. But you can also take, we'll do 2 wires together here. And I will show you using the little electric heater here. I usually turn them on high. I don't really use this way very often, but if I needed to, I would. It's not real quick doing it this way, but it will work. As you can see, it got tighter around the wire there, and it did shrink it. Not one of the best ways to do it, but like I said, it will work. And the other way to do it is with these little torches here. You would just take, just like the lighter, and move it around it real quick. And my torch is running out of fuel, I think. As you can see, it did it, and it does a really good job. Just you don't want to hold it in one spot too long because it'll end up like that, or you can actually burn through it. But that's how you heat shrink wires. It's very simple, and basic, but like I said, the easiest and safest way to do it is using a heat gun. That way you don't cause a fire or burn yourself with a lighter or whatever. But don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and comment down below, and have a great week, everybody. Bye.